Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use watermark on your video by using CapCut mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut tab, then tap on new project. After that choose a photo and then tap on add. After adding it, choose any of the ratio from here. Well, I'm gonna choosing this one, and then add a background. Choose a color. I'm going to choose green color here, and now extend the photo, delete the ending, and here I'm going to put the photo down like this so that I can use the green screen from here. Here write the text that you want to add as your watermark in your video. Now extend it like this. Here you guys can find out a lot of fonts. Choose any of them according to your choice. I'm going to choose this one and put where you want. Now let's export it. After exporting it, let's go back and now tap on new project again. You have to follow 3 steps here to add the watermark. Now add the video of yours. After adding the video, put an overlay and then select the text from here. Now extend it like this to cover the area. After that, go to remove BG and choose chroma key, put it like this. Now delete the ending and split it. After that, export it. Then go back again and select the main video of yours. Well, this is the final task. Here add an overlay and choose the video that you have downloaded earlier. Now select the area where you want to add the watermark. Tap on remove BG and put the chroma key on the green screen of this video and put the watermark where you want. So this is how you guys can add watermark on your video by using CapCut mobile. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.